How would you like to earn part-time, full-time, or even life-changing income by sharing products and services from the largest industry in the world? If you said yes, then welcome to the most dynamic and lucrative compensation plan on the planet, 2SL. When you combine an $8 trillion product with a compensation plan that pays you that now money to help you with your current needs and that later money to build your residual income, you have one of the easiest businesses on the planet for someone to have success with. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The 2SL compensation has 8 different ways to earn. Regardless if you're brand new, just starting a business for the first time, or a veteran looking for a change. Listen up, because I'm going to show you how we're changing thousands of lives worldwide with a simple plan. In fact, while most companies pay out only 35% to 45% to their associates, 2SL is committed to paying out up to 75%. And we've made it so simple to understand and explain to others. Rather than having a massive amount of overhead with fancy offices and private jets, 2SL has opted to give as much as possible back to our associates.